damage your boat.
Everyone knows that it's now illegal to smoke on board.
An emergency. When cabin crew tell you to brace, lean forward against the seat in front of you, like this. And like this if you're holding an infant. Only inflate your life jacket at the door when you're leaving the aircraft. To inflate it, pull the two red toggles sharply downwards. You can also inflate or tuck up the life jacket by blowing in.
one is New Palace, one is Old Palace. Until like Dubai. Third one is Sharjah. Environment. Because UAE give you respect beyond your country, beyond your religion. Because His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, who is the current ruler of Dubai, Vice President of UN, he has open mind, open heart policy. People from all religion are respected here. He came there. They inaugurated Bab's temple. Just like we are passing to Port Rashid, reconstruction. Palm Dera, Palm Jabal, but they take out all water from there and they did this construction. So this is very important that before this was sealed and now they turned into that new communities for modern world. This area is called Business Bay. So Business Bay and downtown area Burj Khalifa, they are together. So this is the main premier area of Dubai. You have seen social media. So this area they are using this transport is called metro line. So when we will go to another area, Palm Jumeirah, there you will see monorail. So different transportation system is working here. Jumeirah, Palm Atlantis, we have another area. It's called Jumeirah Lakes Towers. So that area is covered by this one Dubai train. So different transportation is working in Dubai. So just cross over there, your right side. You will see that in a few minutes, Jumeirah district, Burj Al Arab Hotel. Burj Al Arab Hotel. From your left side, you will see one line will start that all car vehicle showrooms. The world top brand car vehicle showrooms are on left side. This is a big line over there. Yeah, from that side, car mushroom showroom. Arab, the Tower of the Arab, its meaning in when we translate, you can view Burj Al Arab Hotel, your right side. You can view. Souk Medina. This is Souk Jumeirah Souk lobby. Your left side is also Dubai. Right side, the houses are starting. The royal family is staying here in this area. It's all royal family houses. This is from here to till their Jumeirah beach. They have covered with private. Just front of your big towers, this area is just like a palm tree on social media. But palm tree is also there. This Palm Atlantis hotel have also. So until here, royal family houses are here. Until here. Side monorail is moving around to this Palm Jumeirah. And if you see, big tower is over around both sides, apartments. One side is villa line, same building together, same building both sides. Yeah, we are just crossing Palm Jumeirah, Palm Atlantis. Palm Jumeirah, Palm Atlantis. And this area have more speciality that the world celebrities also their homes in this area. The world football players, cricket players, they have also side is Nahil Tower. Multimedia screen. Actually, this part was the old part of time people came to there. They settled here, 1833. That Maktoum family. Now they are ruling in this. He is the current ruler of this Dubai. He is very visionary man. He all places was full of desert in 1790. Actually, if we look at the old pictures of Dubai in 19. They are safest. So Dubai and Abu Dhabi are the safest cities in the world. You can go through every night, anytime. You feel free. You need to be relaxed because you are. No one can touch you. No one can ask you anything. But about law, you have to follow this country law. Just suppose that because this country give you respect. Just some people, what they did, some people they drink and they come out on streets in Zabil Park. So restaurants and accommodations over there. That in nationality background, one of the top nationality in. So hopefully come back on front of this gate. From here we can make this amazing picture. They can transform into the young creatures. So this mountain area, that Burj Khalifa area. This area is called downtown Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall. 1,200 retail shops are over there in Dubai Mall. And besides there you will see Burj World, 858 meter. It was built in 2010. And you have seen that every building they have mentioned Emaar. Emaar is the development construction company who built this area. This is actually semi-government company who built this area. So from their bridge, your right side, please, you can make Dex best picture. Just go slowly. Slowly. You can view over right side. Focus on your right side. Just cross over the bridge. We will go very slowly, so you can cover Sheikh Zayed Road. Beautiful, amazing view. And now you can see best view. So right now we are just entering Sheikh Zayed Road. Actually, I was telling you that on this road you can see everything over there. So besides this Sheikh Zayed Road, you will see metro line, metro track, 90 kilometer tracks. 90 kilometer track covers one corner to another corner of Dubai. So they have different stations. So you can make your pictures or videos from your right side, Palm Atlantis Hotel. We are now crossing Palm Atlantis Hotel.
വീഡിയോ